Hello guys and welcome to another video. Do you know that so many people are making passive income each month by selling apps? Today I will show you how you can start making money online by selling apps on Amazon. The best part about selling your apps on Amazon is that it is completely free to join and worldwide. So no matter where you live, you can join and start earning money today. In addition to this, any app you decide to sell on Amazon will be available internationally across all Amazon marketplaces, unless you decide otherwise. Before we begin the video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below this video and click that little notification bell next to it, so you get alerted on any future videos I upload. Now, let's begin the video. You should first go to the developer console. I will leave a link to it down below in the description. After you finish setting up your account, you should be able to access your dashboard, where you will be able to choose which marketplace or type of app to make. We might check out each one of them in full details in later videos. So if you are interested and want to learn more, make sure to comment down below which one you want to learn about. For now, the one we will focus on is the Amazon App Store. That is where you can sell your Android apps and games and earn decent money from them. There are a couple of ways to make money from your apps on the Amazon App Store. You can make money from your app sales if you sell your app for a fixed price. You can earn money from in-app purchases, and you can also earn money from mobile ads that show on your app. Selling apps on Amazon is a very lucrative business if done correctly. So if you have an idea that could bring value to your customers, then why not make an app and earn money from it? If you want to learn more about making money from Amazon by selling apps, then comment down below what you want to learn about, and I will try to cover that in a future video. Or if you want to know more methods to earn money online and live a stress-free life, then check this playlist for more videos like this. See you in another video.